How to delete all your tweets at once on Twitter or X. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Twitter or X application on your device. Now when you tap on the profile picture at the top left corner, then go to profile, then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now as you can see, there is no option to delete or select multiple posts at once. Even when you tap on three dots next to each post, you can only find an option for delete post. So unfortunately, you can only delete one post at a time on Twitter. If you want to delete all of them at once, simply tap on profile at the top left corner, then tap on settings and support, then go to settings and privacy, then tap on your account, then tap on deactivate. Now tap on deactivate. Now once you delete your account, all of your posts will be deleted and you will be able to create a new account after 30 days. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.